My little sister started having food allergies since she was 3 months old. When she was 4 years old, she suffered from a serious allergic reaction to peanuts by unintentionally eating a Snickers nut candy bar without knowing the true ingredients. She was immediately rushed to the emergency, but luckily we were able to reach on time, so she ended up being okay. Just like her, between 1% and 15% of the population of the United States can be considered at risk for having an anaphylactic reaction when exposed to one or more allergens. Anaphylaxis results in approximately 1,500 deaths per year in the US. Believe it or not, the majority of these allergies are caused by not reading a food label properly and unintentionally consuming the food that you are allergic to. Although there are current solutions such as carrying an EpiPen and medicine, but extra measures need to be taken in order to prevent serious allergic reactions. My mobile application, Allergy Shield, is designed to help prevent this serious ongoing problem. The user starts by entering their allergies and is then available to scan any barcode of a food item to verify if they are allergic to the product. My mobile application leverages an API that has a very large database with hundreds of common food items that people consume each day. Allergy Shield also includes a list of helpful tips and information in order to prevent allergic reactions in the future. It will greatly benefit users all across the world with easy usage and functionality. Throughout my journey, I have learned a lot through creating this app, such as implementing a barcode scanner and connecting the app to a food API to receive direct ingredients based on a barcode. I also learned how to properly design a user interface for a mobile app that is easy to use. In the future, I plan on adding more features to the app, such as extending more types of allergies, automatic alerts, connection to the nearest hospitals, and calling 911 for emergencies. I also plan on marketing my app and receiving sponsorships. Allergy Shield is here to prevent serious allergic reactions. Thank you.